Welcome to your first 21 days of flamenco. Ole! So what we're going to cover for our first lesson is the heart and soul of flamenco, which is the compás. The compás is the heartbeat. It is the beat, the rhythm, staying in time. And when we talk about compás, there's two things about it. The one is, being on the beat, being in the rhythm. And then another one is like phrases. How many compases of this? How many compases of that? Meaning how many phrases, how many measures of it. And so what we are working on the palo, the rhythmical category of tangos, and that's a 4-count rhythm. Now, before we get into the counts of it, when we're talking about palos, those are, the rhythmical categories of dances in flamenco, such as tangos, alegrías, soleá, seguiría, tientos, tarantos, bulería. Those are all categories, and they all have their own time signature, their own melody and chords, and their own energy. So you want to think of your favorite song, just for example, like Smells Like Teen Spirit. If you heard a few notes of that song, you would recognize it. Oh, it smells like Teen Spirit. The same thing with all the other palos. You hear a few chords and you recognize it as being that category. Alegrías, tangos. The lyrics of the song always change, but they will have the same chord structure, the same sound, the same structure in a dance. Okay, so for tangos, what we're doing is we're going to play palmas. We start off with palmas, so it's a 4 count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So the rhythm, it starts on 1, and if you're going to do a strong ending, pa, and you stop, it will be on 3. And then you start up again on 1. So with palmas, you have the thumbs around each other, cupped hands. So these are sorda, so soft. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And generally, they go in sets of 4 to make a complete phrase. So that's why I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Generally, of course, there's always exceptions, right? Okay, so let's try that again. So we have and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, now we have alta, which is the high notes. So you have your fingers straight and that fingers in the palm, and you have to find the sweet spot, the little pocket. So because if you go too soft, it's kind of flimsy. If it's too hard, there's no sound. So you have that little sweet spot, and you can go very loudly. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now let's try. We're going to go sorda, and then we're going to end it bam, 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 and 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3. Now, the reason why we're practicing our palmas is because it's part of, it's as a dancer, you're always playing palmas for each other, but it also helps you internalize the compás. I mean, playing palmas is part of flamenco, but also practicing your palmas, it really helps with the compás, internalizing it. You also gaining more coordination with everything. So it's a skill that you want to continue, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to practice our palmas using music. so guitar music or solo compás, there's no singing. We'll practice with the solo compás, with the guitar, and then we'll practice our palmas using the music that we will use for our choreography later on in the course. Here we go. Okay, so you hear it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, bum. And to close it, ba bum ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ba bum ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, ba bum ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, ba bum ba. Now, that style of palmas, that was just as an exercise. You're not going to do that every time. So here is one other style of palmas that we have. They're syncopated, and this is what you're going to most likely use. Ta-ka-tan-ta, 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 ta-ka-tan-ta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-ka-tan-ta, ta-ka-tan-ta. Let's close it. And ba-bam-bam. All right, let's practice that with music. Ta-ka-tan-ta. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll close it. Here we go. Ba-bam-ba. 1, 2, ba. 4, 5, 6, and we'll close it. 7, ba bum ba. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. Close it. Ba bum ba. Ole. So now we're going to practice our palmas using the music that we're going to create our choreography to. And so we'll just keep it ta-ka-tan-ta, 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 and I'll call it out. And I will call out the portions of the choreography. So in the music, there are 2 letras. Those are 2 singing verses, and then a little remate in between each one, which means a break, some sort of percussive break. And then at the end, there's a little escobilla section, a little section for us to do footwork. So I'll call it out while the music is happening. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And close it. The letra, ta-ka-tan-ta, ta-ka-tan-ta. So we just relax here. Here's a transition. And 1. Second letra. Ta-ka-tan-ta, ta-ka-tan-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here we transition. And we'll do our footwork. So let's go straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Ole! Thanks for joining me and dancing with me in this video. If you want to continue your practice with me in a systematic step-by-step approach, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership with over 80 courses for new beginners through advanced dancers in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. We have a vibrant community of dancers from all over the world. We have monthly live trainings, practice sessions, and workouts. So follow the link below for your free 10-day trial. and I hope to see you inside the membership.